And it's time for reaping.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Alright. Wow, that's nice. Nice size.
One here, babe.
Oh, you have a bit, another one? Papa G, can we make the video in peace and quiet? Thank you. Papa G, I can talk to you now on my video. Alright. So we are doing our own experimental farming with natural substances only. Here we have a cabbage, but Daddy is saying that what we should have done was dig a hole and kind of mold it up. And I'm saying, wonder if I should mold it up now then.
Is it too late?
We can try. I don't think it hurts to try, because the cabbage needs to be folding over and we're not seeing that. Oh, you picked that one without me now. Are there any more? That one. I think we're learning a lot in the process. I'm learning a lot. And I am very busy. I don't have no time for farming. So what I do? This is, what time is it now? After 7?
Yeah.
It's early morning. No, so that's not ready yet, babe. We need those to cut. Well, you know what? Take them, because it's still blossoming and I don't want them to ripe, because once it ripens, the plant. But look at our harvest. I am so proud of my morning and evening efforts. So what I do, I just take the water, like now, say I water it. It just rinse, I don't need to water. Say that I've watered it. I just take the water and I put it back in here. And then I fill this with neem oil. This with neem oil whenever I need it. I just come and spray. So whenever I have the time, I fill it. Can I get this one? He said it's fit. I don't want them to ripen on the tree. Papa G said ours look puny and his own look what did he say, Jean?
Much bigger, but
we are learning.
proof is in the pudding too. You're getting fruit.
I'm getting fruit, so it's fine. This is the beautiful string bean. We have to go. This is ready now, you know. I feel. Well, maybe I should ask Daddy if the string bean is ready. Oh, I need it to catch up. Laying down.
Do you have any more string?
I don't think I need a string. I think I just need a stick for it to lean on. If I can get it. See, I just talked to you about the thing. Shall step on the thing. God, give me strength, Lord. You're not looking where you're going, babe. Really and truly, we should walk around, you know. It's kind of in aisle, so. Mercy. You're not going to strive. To go struggle. We just. Uh-oh. Alright, I can't video and do this. Take the phone. Or you want to put up the string. The stick. That stick is very thick. So it's kind of hard to go down in the earth. You need your man strength. Right.
So
kind of catch it up. Yeah, these two. Boy, I will gladly eat the 2 string beans. We'll figure out. Any advice? Any advice, guys? Because Papa G don't have no time to advise us, but we have to learn, because we can't keep doing this, just waiting on Papa G.